Today we are going to talk about the concatenate function in Microsoft Excel. First, we will create a table and then we will type in comments based on the data in the table. For example, Dear Ali, you got 99 marks, MashaAllah. We can create comments manually for each student. Since this is going to take a lot of time, we will use concatenation to generate individual comments based on the marks and names. First, we need an equal symbol and then type concatenate to call the function. Now we have to separate each part with a comma. Note that each part should be surrounded by double quotes and separated by a comma. Now that we have divided the sentence into separate parts, we have to decide which part is going to be static and which part is going to be dynamic. By static, I mean parts that will remain unchanged. And by dynamic, I mean the parts that are going to change based on the data taken from the table. So let's decide the static and dynamic parts. In this case, Dear will remain static or unchanged, while Ali is going to be dynamic as it needs to be changed accordingly. So we will delete the text and click the cell from where we want to fetch the data. Comma, you got. This part should remain static and 99 needs to be changed. So replace 99 with the cell name by clicking the cell with your mouse. Marks, MashaAllah. For this part, we need if statement. We will deal with this part later on, insha'Allah. Now if I drag the cell down, it should generate the comments automatically. Hope you liked it. Assalamu alaikum.